Welcome to the video where we will find your ICP, your ideal customer profile. This is really important, and this is what makes you stand out from the rest of the people doing dropshipping. We won't sell to all the people, we will sell to one person only. A little story. When I started dropshipping, I thought, of course, that the more people you can sell to, the better. But that's not the case. If you have a clear customer, you can do perfect ads for that customer, a perfect landing page for that customer. Today, 2025, Meta and TikTok and where we are running ads are so intelligent with their AI, so they will find your customer. And you don't need to think that because we are doing everything for one person only, we can only sell to that person. That's not the case either, because of course that person have maybe a wife or a man that would buy for them. They have grandfathers, grandmothers, they have parents, they have children, depending on the ICP. So when you are targeting one ICP, you are opening it up for a broad spectrum of customers anyway. The only thing is that we do it very clear. Knowing who you're selling to, your product, your branding, your ads, and how you are doing your landing page, it all starts here. But don't worry, you don't have to guess. Like I said before, we are doing this together. And in this case, we're going to use ChatGPT to find our ICP. So now we have our niche, we have our name, and now we're going to find our customers. And in dropshipping and e-com, you have a lot of abbreviations, of course, and ICP is one of them, ideal customer profile. But let's start. We're opening up ChatGPT today, and now we're actually starting to do some real work, and I love it. So let's put on the glasses, and now we are done the work. So we are in ChatGPT. I have chosen my niche, it was beauty, and I chosen my brand name, it was Cara. So I'm gonna start easy. So I'm starting to write, hi, I'm starting a brand that will sell only online. I forgot that. It is a beauty brand named Cara, and I want to find my customer. Got it, thanks for sharing. So you're starting a beauty name called Cara. And we will define our ideal customer here, niche segment, and now is where we need to insert our products. So I will go, I have decided, and that was this neck cream. I will take this AliExpress link and I will go here. I will start selling this firming neck cream as my hero product. Who is my ideal customer? Aged 35 to 55, as this group often starts to notice. Yes, this is. I will target UK in this case because it's easier that I do everything in English, of course, so everyone can understand. But often I actually target my home country, that's Sweden, because it's quite easier, it's a smaller country, and it's easier to find the customers. So I will recommend you to target your home country first. I will target UK. How is the Erming neck cream selling in UK, and what is the biggest competition? And now we get all the competitions and we get the price points and everything. So here we can also see what price point we should use. And this is of course also how we want to brand us. Do we want to brand us like a very exclusive brand, or a lower exclusive brand, or a middle exclusive brand? We want to be exclusive, of course, because we are working with micro branding and branding, but we are also working with impulse buys. So we don't want it to be in the high price range. So I think I have put it like, 39, of course, 39. So we can see here that's a really good price range. So that's perfect. What this means for Cara. Now we have got a lot of information. ChatGPT has the country, it has what we want to do, what we are for brand, and now we have really talked to ChatGPT and got a lot of information about the country, we are feeding ChatGPT with information right now. And this you can keep on doing for quite a while if you want to get deeper and deeper and deeper. For the sake of the video, I will now ask them about, can you give me my perfect ICP. But I will recommend you to maybe ask some more questions about the country you are targeting and things like that. Here we have our perfect customer, a 45 to 55-year-old UK woman, middle to upper income, active on Facebook and Instagram, who is concerned with neck aging, sagging lines and creepy skin. Values science-backed, trustworthy skincare. That's really good. So we will have on our website some data, some proof about the product, and who's willing to spend like 30 to 70 pounds on the product that show real results and have strong reviews. So we also need a lot of reviews on our website. That's perfect. And now we are also knowing that we will talk to a 45 and 55-year-old. That, of course, makes it easy also that we will choose Meta to do our product test. We will not do it on TikTok, because on Meta it's more likely to target 45 to 55-year-old woman. This is really giving us a lot of information. So here we have it. So this is how you find your ICP. So this was really fun. I hope you follow along. And if you don't, please check all the links, everything below the video. And I will see you in the next video.